You've probably seen lemons in your kitchen 100 times. But do you really know this vibrant yellow fruit? Beyond its sour taste, lemon holds secrets that most people completely overlook. Let's uncover what makes the lemon one of the most powerful healing fruits on the planet. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C. Yes, we all know that. But did you know that just one lemon a day can dramatically support your immune system, fight inflammation, and improve digestion? It also helps your liver detox and boosts collagen production for clearer, younger-looking skin. That's not magic, that's pure lemon power. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach can reset your body. It alkalizes your system, balances pH levels, and kickstarts metabolism. Some studies even show it may reduce kidney stone risk and lower blood pressure. All from a fruit that costs less than a cup of coffee. Lemon's scent alone has calming effects on your brain. Its essential oils can ease anxiety, improve focus, and even uplift mood. Ever rubbed lemon peel on your skin? It's a natural exfoliant packed with antioxidants. Say goodbye to dull skin. So next time you see a lemon, don't just think sour. Think powerful, healing, refreshing. Because in that tiny fruit, nature packed 1,000 gifts. And the best part? It's already in your kitchen. Go ahead, squeeze the change into your life.